Hi, I'm Lisa Nolan of Aslan Coaching. I had a coffee and a lovely chat with a business colleague last week who is also a nurse and who now runs her own business. We were joking about the first aid kits we carry around. Like most nurses, we carry around bandaids and other bits, not in case we need it, but in case someone else does. It's something we identified as a symptom of nurses, teachers and others who are in caring professions or who have responsibility for others. These are the people who very often burn out because they look after everyone else before they look after themselves. And it got me thinking about first aid kits, because I often recommend to my coaching clients that they have an emotional first aid kit, which is a set of go-to things or people to lean on when they're feeling emotionally hurt or overwhelmed or stressed. So I've created a video about it and it's now in the Resilience Hub. It's in the Resilience Recovery section. If you haven't signed up to the Hub yet, you can do so with the link that I'll put below. There's a free version with lots of helpful guides in there, and if you want more, you can upgrade to get access to the full library of bite-sized stress management tips, tips for building confidence and resilience, and small changes you can make to have a much happier and calmer life.